For my video presentation, I'm going to redo my third article, which was titled, "Does the Chimpanzee Have a Theory of Mind?" by David Premack and Guy Woodruff.
Human adults were previously thought to be the only ones to have a theory of mind. As a quick reminder, a theory of mind is when an individual can assign and understand different mental states about him or herself and others. Some examples may include purpose or intention, doubt, guessing, thinking, and many others. Since these thoughts aren't directly observable, this is why it is considered a theory. With this study, Premack and Woodruff speculated that there is a possibility that the chimpanzee also shares this theory of mind, and that it isn't much different than humankind's theory of mind. To test this theory, Sarah, a 14-year-old African-born chimpanzee, was shown 4 different problems via 30-second videos, and her task was to correctly match the correct solution with the problem presented. In the first video, a human actor was placed in a cage where there were bananas overhead just out of reach. In the second video, the same human actor in the cage couldn't reach the bananas outside of the cage on the ground. In the third video, it was just like the second one, except a box was also in the way of the bananas. And the fourth video was just like the third, except there were cement blocks weighing down the box as well. Each video was presented to her 6 times for a total of 24 trials. And after each trial, the zookeeper would present her a box with 2 options in it, one being the correct solution and the other a solution to one of the other 3 videos.
Once she had made her choice, she was to place it next to the television set and ring a bell to bring in the trainer to record her choice. Upon whether or not she got it right, the trainer was then to praise her or to scold her, just as you would with a young child.
As for how she did significantly well. Sarah was correct on 21 of the 24 trials. The interesting part the researchers wanted to point out was that the 3 errors she made were all correlated with the same video, the fourth video, where the cement blocks were weighing down the box in the way. The author speculated, as seen from previous studies with apes and problem solving, that Sarah did not really see the necessity to remove the cement blocks because chimps are much stronger than humans.
With these results, there is evidence that we are not the only species to exhibit a theory of mind. By Sarah choosing the correct solution to the videos, she is displaying that she is putting herself in the same frame of mind as the human actor, and able to figure out how the actor should think to solve the problem. This was only the first experiment they ran, but they continued on with different experiments to even bring in scenarios for answering questions such as, what would the actor do versus what should the actor do? And these other experiments only showed more support that Sarah was exhibiting a theory of mind. But how can this relate to humans? Well, not only was Sarah a test subject for these videos, but the basis of this study was also used to study children with and without mental retardation, to see if there were differences in theory of mind between them. Since mental capacity of apes is sometimes compared to young children, it can be beneficial to study this other species to potentially better understand our own development. This study could also further our understanding of how we diagnose certain conditions within human test subjects. It can open a whole nother branch of different studies that we could do. I hope this video presentation helped clarify any confusion that you may have had when I first presented this study, but other than that, have a happy holidays and thank you for watching.